Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to take you through this 2021 trade-in we took. It's a Chaparral 23-foot surf edition boat. Obviously, it's a 23-foot boat. It has the nice bow here at the front speakers. Nice walk-through with the door you can close off to keep the wind out. It's got the digital screen here where you can make all the controls. This boat does contain ballast for surfing, right or left. Great wakeboard boat. Very easy control. Nice bolster seat here. Very comfortable co-captain's chairs. It's got the snap-in SeaDek flooring. You got the wakeboard tower, the wake and surf racks. Bimini. Very big playpen seating. It's got the Volvo 270 horsepower motor. Nice sun deck padding back here. Great boat. Low hours on this boat, I believe just under 100 hours. It's got the nice big swim deck here, SeaDek swim deck, and the ladder. Come on out to MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and check out this Chaparral 2021 excellent condition surf boat. Also, you can check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you so much.